Personic is a smartphone app that simplifies and secures the exchange of contact information with nearby people using acoustic communication. It can securely exchange cryptographic public keys, which is essential for protecting end-to-end encrypted communication in messenger apps. Unlike previous approaches, Personic is more user-friendly and effortlessly works with more than 2 participants at the same time, so it can also support larger groups that want to collaborate. Let me show you how a group of 3 people can exchange their contact information using Personic. First, one person initiates the exchange and acts as the temporary coordinator. The others join as participants. The coordinator enters the total group size. Once the coordinator starts the exchange, the smartphones will automatically exchange their contact information using our novel communication stack combining wireless and acoustic messages. Let's start the exchange and listen to the communication. Afterwards, a lock symbol appears on each smartphone, prompting users to confirm the matching symbols on all devices to ensure security. The contact exchange is now complete, and each user can select which contacts to import. Personic is built from the ground up with usability and security in mind. Now, why is secure contact exchange important? Well, most of us own a smartphone, and smartphones are great communication devices. But effective communication also requires a trusted environment where participants clearly know each other's identities and do not have to fear unauthorized access. This trust is vital for facilitating open discussions among friends, family, colleagues, business partners, and especially for vulnerable groups like journalists and activists. Personic allows users to extend trust from physical encounters to online communication by simply holding their devices together for a few seconds. Personic can be customized to exchange and verify different contact information depending on the application. Let's say you want to use the encrypted messenger app Signal. By default, end-to-end encrypted tools cannot protect against unauthorized access and impersonation by active adversaries. To mitigate these risks, they require a manual contact verification process known as the authentication ceremony to ensure full protection. But the current design of authentication ceremonies has 2 major problems. First, they have low usability. Previous user studies have shown that users struggle to perform them. Second, they are inefficient for larger groups of users as they only support pairwise verification. For example, a group of 7 people would need to perform 21 manual verification actions, which takes too much time. Personic solves these issues by providing a more scalable authentication ceremony to protect end-to-end encrypted communication for 2 participants, but also for larger groups of users. But this must also be user-friendly, so that it is accessible to the general public. That's why we have conducted an empirical study with ordinary users to learn more about how they interact with our app and to improve it based on user feedback. According to the results of our lab study, our app is highly effective for groups. Personic has better usability compared to the state-of-the-art because it automates the tedious verification tasks required by previous approaches. In Personic, the contact exchange is entirely decentralized and does not require the internet or external key management infrastructure. Our novel communication stack combines ad hoc Wi-Fi and acoustic transmissions, allowing smartphones to communicate directly without involving third parties. You can also use Personic without audible sound, instead using inaudible near-ultrasonic frequencies. We have tested Personic with Android smartphones from different manufacturers to ensure functionality and compatibility. Any smartphone with Wi-Fi Direct should be compatible, as long as it runs Android 6, which was released in 2015. If you want to learn more about Personic and our research, come talk to us at the CSCW demo session, where you can try it out yourself. You are also welcome to fork our code on GitHub. My name is Florentin Putz. Thank you very much for watching.